In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write off inventory QuickBooks Desktop 2026, step by step. Let's get started right on the QuickBooks home screen. From here, open the menu where you create new transactions, then choose Expense. This brings up a blank expense form that we'll use to record the write-off properly on your books. At the top, choose your payee if you track who this adjustment is associated with, and set the date you want the write-off to hit your accounts. Next, pick the payment account. In this example, select cash, but you can choose the bank or cash account that matches how you want the entry to post. The key is to be consistent with your accounting policy. Now, move down to the category details section. In the first category line, click the field and select the account you use for write-downs. Look for inventory write-off or a similarly named expense or cost of goods sold account. If you don't see it right away, start typing in the search bar to filter the list quickly, then click to select it once it appears. Add a clear description so anyone reviewing your books understands what happened. For example, note whether this is due to damage, expiration, shrinkage, or obsolescence, and include the period it relates to. Good descriptions make audits and month-end reviews much easier. Next, enter the amount you're writing off in the amount column. Double-check the number before you proceed. This figure should reflect the value you're removing, not the retail price. If you track inventory at cost, use the item's cost basis for accuracy. If there's a memo field at the bottom, it's a great place to add extra context, such as a reference to a physical count, an internal ticket, or a supervisor's approval. You can also attach supporting documentation if your workflow includes photos or count sheets. Keeping this detail with the transaction helps maintain a clean audit trail. Give everything one last review. Payee and date at the top, the correct payment account selected, the category set to inventory write-off, a clear description, and the exact amount. When you're confident it's accurate, click Save and Close. That's it. The expense posts the write-off to your chosen account and updates your financials. Quick tip: if your company tracks inventory quantities, make sure your operational process also adjusts item counts, so quantities match your books. And as always, align this method with your accountant's guidance to ensure your write-offs follow your company policy and tax requirements. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part to follow along as you complete your own write-off.